So we got a new water heater yesterday. But listen to this. Hear that knocking sound? I'm running the water. That happens when I run cold or hot water. I'm not sure where that's coming from. What do you guys think? Where's it coming from?